There are three common ways to reset your air conditioner remote. The method you need depends on your remote, so if one method doesn't work for you, try the next one. Before resetting, keep in mind that all personalized settings will return to their default values, including timer settings, sleep mode, and other custom configurations. First, check if your remote has a physical reset button. Press and hold the reset button for a few seconds, then check whether the display refreshes or restarts. If your remote doesn't have a reset button, check whether it has a reset pinhole. If you see a small hole labeled reset, take a paper clip, SIM eject tool, toothpick, or another small pointed object and gently press the button inside the hole for a few seconds. Then check whether the display refreshes or restarts. And if your remote has neither a reset button nor a reset pinhole, you can try removing the batteries. Take both batteries out. Use the remote to drain internal batteries and wait until the display completely disappears. Then wait about 5 seconds before reinstalling the batteries. When the screen powers back on, check whether the remote is responding normally. If your remote is not responding properly or the display is behaving strangely, the batteries may simply be weak. Try replacing both batteries with new ones and check whether that fixes the problem. And here's a simple tip. Many people leave their remote on the sofa, bed, or table where buttons can get pressed accidentally. Then later, they wonder why the AC is behaving differently. Using a wall-mounted remote holder keeps the remote in one place and helps prevent accidental button presses that can change settings without you noticing. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AC tips, troubleshooting guides, and energy-saving advice.